Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an amazing tool that can skyrocket your Telegram group's growth. Telegram SMM panel by GetMyLikes. What is Telegram SMM panel? So, what exactly is a Telegram SMM panel? It's a platform designed to boost your Telegram channel by allowing you to purchase members, likes, views, and engagement. This means you can efficiently expand your audience and increase your channel's visibility. Let's talk about why you should consider using a Telegram SMM panel. Increase channel members, boost credibility, and make your group more appealing. Boost post views, attract more users by improving the visibility of your posts. Target specific audiences, get members from your desired demographics. Engage with polls and votes. Make your groups more interactive. Cross-promotion, enhance your visibility across other social media platforms. When choosing an SMM panel, consider these factors. Reliable content and support, ensure they offer comprehensive services and quick support. Quality versus pricing, look for a good balance between cost and service quality. Secure payments and data privacy. Your data protection should always come first. Infographic of services offered. Here's what GetMyLikes offers. Real members, create genuine audiences for your Telegram groups. Boost engagement, increase likes and views on your posts. Expert marketing advice, get tips for growing your presence. 24/7 support, help is available whenever you need it. How it works. It's super easy to get started. 1. Register login, create your account. 2. Add funds, securely deposit money. 3. Choose a service, pick what fits your goals. 4. Enter details, provide your links. 5. Track results, monitor your channel's growth. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what users are saying. Sahil, game changer for our brand. Tanvi, smooth experience and real engagement. Ready to take your Telegram channel to the next level? Check out GetMyLikes Telegram SMM panel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.